Ever thought pancakes could be healthy and delicious? Sunday is pancake day for us. But today we're giving it a nutritious twist with an easy and known Indian recipe, spinach garlic pancakes. First, chop some fresh spinach and garlic. Spinach adds essential vitamins and minerals, while garlic gives it that punchy flavor we all love. Spinach is rich in vitamin A, C, K, iron and calcium, making it a powerhouse of nutrients. Garlic contains vitamin B6, manganese and selenium, which are great for your immune system. Add in some cumin seeds, a little salt and a dash of turmeric. Now for a bit of zing, chop up some green chilies. Mix all these ingredients into a base of chickpea flour. Chickpea flour not only gives a nice texture, but also packs a protein punch. Mix everything with water until you get a smooth batter. Heat up a pan, use oil spray to minimize the calories, and pour in a ladle of the batter. Cook until both sides are golden brown. And there you have it. Healthy, nutritious Indian pancakes that are perfect for a Sunday brunch. Try this recipe for a healthy, nutritious breakfast. Your body will thank you.